was talking to the channel.
Of course, of course.
I feel like
I hope you all have your appetite because we're gonna get a really delicious meal from some of the best cocoa-infused food in Trinidad. And then, well, you all could already hear the parang, which is where we'll be going after, right?
Hello, darling. Thank you. Yep.
almost heated from the top.
And it was intended to be a cash crop, right? So it took 200 years, so not until the 1700s that cocoa actually became a cash crop. And the person who was able to do that was Mr. Stallmeyer, you know Stallmeyer's castle? So Stallmeyer, so took a German and he built his estate in the Santa Cruz Valley. The cocoa trees in those days would take between 5 to 8 years to be able to produce. Onion crops like avocado, mango, mami apple, comfiter. We don't plant only a monocrop. We have a layered cropping system, and it helps a farmer because if cocoa is only bearing between November and March, what's going to happen to him for the rest of the year, right? And they would.
Oh.
So of course you have.
Each leg in white.
All right, Chantal. All right, Chance. Ever, forever, ever? Forever, ever. Got cocoa.
Yeah, and cocoa.
Right.
So what number? So you have
The cocoa is 3.
So you can put it back on the tree.
Okay.
Let me just get it.
Get back on the tree.
Anybody else wants to pick up?
Good stuff.
Steam back. That works even better.
Oh, word. Okay. Nice. Nice. Yes, ma'am.
Just letting you know.
So we're starting off with a cream of pumpkin soup with cacao in it, on it, somewhere around it. It's good. Listen, the food here. When we had lunch here, they actually they did tacos and they actually made the tacos themselves.
Oh, the shots?
This is so good.
She chose what, wings?
Yeah. No, the wings were nice too.
Wings anyway.
I think extra wings.
I was hot. Same. I don't want to see parang on my.
I mean, it's where?
How much things you have? You have a tiny bag. Maybe it's not soaked as long and fruits not soaked as long.
This is cocoa punch-a-creme ice cream.
Like a sponge. Do it first, and we had to pick out shells with a tweezer because it doesn't get older. But when we shell by hand, we get older. Now you ever heard of cocoa nibs?
Yes.
Cocoa nibs. That's it.
Oh.
$50 an ounce in Golden State. You can taste. It's bitter.
Yep.
But it's crunchy. And depends on how long you grind it. If you put it back in over and over and over. Sorry. Yeah.
The oils to be released.
If you put it back 50% dark chocolate, meaning no milk involved, no water involved. Cocoa and water, chocolate and water are not friends because of the fact they will just separate. This is what we have after grinding that from last night. Okay? I'm going to give you a little taste
really nice.
On your clothes. Okay? And the base is also stone, so that will just see no marks, no striations. That's a good thing. We do everything by hand, so we wrap by hand also. My father was Toribio and my mother is Venice, so we named it. I wanted a nice fancy double barrel name, Toribio y Venice. And they were like, no, people will have trouble pronouncing it. So we went with Toribio. So now you all have work. You all get to wrap your own little chocolate. Right? So we'll have to so I have space for you. Right? Fold it. Fold. Push down on both sides.
Okay,
like a present.
present.
Yes. Right? And now you take pride in your work. So I have made it easy. I have folded a little ledge here. So you push the folded side up against that, bring it over, peel the tape. And you get that. This year we did 5,000 of these for Carl.
I just wrapped my own chocolate. I love it. Finished product.
The ganache rolled and rolled in cocoa powder. I roll mine in coconut flakes. And this is a rum truffle. So it has rum in it.
Say less.
Okay? So it's an adult. So what we do, I have gloves or you wash your hands, it's yours to eat. So you roll at the tip of your fingers because your hand's hot. Tip of your fingers into a ball, and you see it's already shiny because it's hot and rum doesn't freeze well. Take it and you drop it in the coconut, and there you go.
Nice.
So I fill with guava cheese, coconut fudge,
I made a
sugar
truffle.
cake. I fill with
made a
every local thing you can get.
Thank you. Aye, aye. You have to dance through. Why are we this way? I don't care. So that is it for the LOPINOT shenanigans. It's been good.
Rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog day.
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas day.
Yo, take care and God bless.
What?
Bye.